How to remove Instagram account from someone else's phone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove your Instagram account from someone else's phone. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's just open the Instagram application. So first of all, you may want to do this if you want to log out from another device, like from your parents' phone or from your friend's phone, and you don't want them to have access to your account anymore. So you can actually remotely log out of your account from your end and not necessarily from their specific device. So to do that, just click on the three-line button at the top right corner right here. And of course, you are in the profile page, and let's just click on that and then click on settings. After that, let's focus on this button right here that says security. And then you have two options so you can remove your Instagram account from someone else's phone. First is to change your password. So here you can put your current password right here and input your new password right in this space and again in this particular space. So what this will do is that it will automatically log out your account from all the other devices that you have logged into. So the next option is to click on login activity. So here you can find the list of where your account is logged into and all the devices and the location information where your account has been logged in. So if you want to log out your account on a specific device, just click on the three dots at the right part of a specific information and click on the log out button at the bottom. So just click on that if you want to log out. And that's how you can remove your Instagram account from someone else's phone. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.